Today we're headed to Nelson, Nevada.
Join us on a journey.
Let's go!
Driving by the world's famous outlet in Barstow. Guess, Levi, Old Navy, all kinds of different places.
Our first stop on our journey to Nelson was the town of Nipton.
Well, we stopped here at this little store so that we can grab a couple sodas. But this is Nipton. I really wish this was open because there's some art installations in the back, but the sign says private. So we're going to grab some sodas at this general store here and continue on.
We are so glad that we went into the Nipton treasure store because we actually ran into Jim, the unofficial mayor of Nipton, and he agreed to take us on a ride through the property. A notable figure in Nipton is Jim Esslinger, who refers to himself as the town's mayor. While not officially elected, Esslinger plays a significant role in the community. He has been involved in various initiatives, including a proposed marijuana ministry in 2019, and is known for his deep respect for the Mojave Desert. Esslinger emphasizes the importance of harmony with the environment, stating, "You need to have respect for the Mojave, and the desert will tell you if it is happy or unhappy with what you're doing."
These are all shopping carts here.
Oh, they are!
One of the prominent installations is Perpetual Consumption, created by Spiegelworld. This piece utilizes shopping carts to critique the relentless cycle of consumerism, encouraging viewers to reflect on their consumption habits and the importance of recycling and repurposing materials. Today, Nipton remains a unique blend of history and modern ambition. With a population of around 25 residents, the town features a historic hotel, general store, RV park, and art installations. Under Spiegelworld's ownership, Nipton is poised to become a creative sanctuary, blending its rich past with a vibrant future. Nipton also hosts several art pieces that originated from the Burning Man Festival. These installations, known for their large scale and interactive nature, add to the town's eclectic artistic landscape. This installation is known as Bloom, a towering jellyfish sculpture that embodies both artistic innovation and environmental consciousness. We were so lucky to be able to get up close to these incredible installations. This will be where the jellyfish will go at completion. Bloom is a large-scale sculpture created by artist Peter Hazel. Standing approximately 42 feet tall, the piece features a jellyfish constructed from recycled, colorful hand-blown glass mounted atop a 30-foot tower. This installation was previously showcased at the Burning Man Festival in 2017 and 2018, where it captivated audiences with its intricate design and vibrant illumination. The sculpture has been recognized as one of the top installations at Burning Man by Elle Decor. Jim was telling me that all of the green glass that is on the jellyfish comes from Jägermeister bottles. All of these pieces of glass are really cool, and each piece is unique. Originally showcased at the Burning Man Festival in 2015, Flyby has since found a permanent home in Nipton.
Now, is this from the same artist? Yeah. This lights up. We hook a couple batteries to it, then when Spiegel World has an event, he wants to have that light up, and it changes color.
Oh, neat.
And so when they put the lights in that, they're planning to run electricity here, so when it gets dark, it automatically lights up.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
There was all kinds of art there, and they are planning on adding a whole lot more. Over the years, Nipton has experienced various transformations. In 2017, it was purchased by American Green Incorporated with plans to develop it into a cannabis tourism destination. However, the project was short-lived and the town changed hands again in 2018. Most recently, in January 2023, the Las Vegas-based entertainment company Spiegel World acquired Nipton for $2.5 million. The company envisions transforming the town into an artist's retreat and creative hub for its performers. It really would be a cool place to stay on a weekend. Well, Jim, if you are watching this, we are so glad that we met you. Thank you for everything. Unfortunately, we did not make it to Nelson in this video, but stay tuned for part 2 of our journey that starts here in Nipton and ends with monsters. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss part 2.